Hi, this is Mike, the mud jacking guy, and today we're going to be caulking, doing some concrete repair on an existing driveway. The homeowner is selling the house and they want to gussy up the driveway, the cracks in it, without replacing the whole thing. So we're going to come in, we're going to chase the cracks with a crack chasing blade on our grinder, we're going to fill it with caulk, and we're going to finish the top of it with some sand to make it look nice and even and presentable. So that's crack repair, and any of your concrete repair needs, from mud jacking to resurfacing to crack repair, call us. We do structural, we do cosmetic repairs, and it's a lot more cost effective to go our route than it is to remove and replace. So give us a call. Thank you.